Besides, they're the same. The valve stem sizes are the same.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's how the valve stem seals are the same.
Oh.
It's only the bottom that's different. The flare is different.
Okay.
It's
All
okay.
right.
I have it. Press down.
It's
You
taking
see-
2 at a time. Probably stupid.
Yeah, yeah, try it. You'll have to sit down on the floor to do this. I don't see you just try it. See if I can how you grip it. It's gonna be tricky.
All right.
Let's try a magnet if you want. There, I think it's done.
Yeah. Where's your magnet tool actually?
It's up. Little.
Oh, you already kept the things up, huh?
Yep.
Where's your flashlight? Oh, you're in the way of the grooves.
Okay. What do you want to do?
It needs to be away from the center.
This is what you want.
Right, go. This is gonna be like impossible.
Magnet and the frequency.
Yeah, you might be right. Let's see.
No, it won't stay there, right?
Let it push down. Sticking to other stuff. The magnet is sticking to stuff. And so it rotates this. Hold on.
Flashlight, I'll hold it. That way you have 2 hands. Well, certainly I can see all the.
Yeah, it's so easy. Like, it looks so easy. Wait, actually raise it? Lift. Oh,
Left?
lift. Darn it, I was so close.
I think, yeah, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು needle nose pliers ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು or some pokey thing. It's not a needle nose pliers, but some little on a dentist tool, that thing,
I know, but the dentist tool.
just to hold it in place as you would draw this.
Yeah, maybe I'll try it. Okay.
Dentist would be so gassed if you call it a dentist tool.
You have to go down. Alright, go. Lift. Got one. Alright. Our method probably needs a little bit of refinement for
Yep.
that.
Patient will die if you have to take this long.
Patient's dead.
Patient will come out of anesthesia. You got the other one now.
No, thank God. Oh yeah, I didn't think about that. Now you gotta raise.
Raise.
Alright, lower. Lower. No, no, don't do it.
ಎರಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ?
No, thank God, no. Oh, you know, because it's easier from this side, I'll just rotate the thing so I can put it both in from the same side.
But I don't see the second one.
It's okay, it's there. Alright, go down.
Down?
Down. Stay, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Alright, hold on.
You know,
Hold on, just go, lift. Lift.
Okay,
Cheap
so-
victory.
The little side is downwards, right?
Yes.
Okay, you
Well,
paid attention.
I don't think it fits any other way.
Okay, no, I'm just saying you paid attention to the fact that the
I oriented them on this little
yes,
side,
that's what I mean.
tapering down.
Tapering downwards,
Yes.
yes. Yeah, we don't want to get that wrong.
I don't think you can.
Yeah, it may not be possible, but it looks right.
Can you give me the? There's like a valve sitting here.
there is a valve. I just put it aside.
Oh, it's right there. Let's see. Does it fit upside down? Oh yeah, it does.
You want to make sure? Okay, let's come back to that one.
I don't know.
I actually don't think it fits, honestly.
It fits on this thing.
Right, but it won't. That thing won't go up. It'll stay up like that because the cone will be out.
Oh, it'll be too wide.
It'll be too wide.
Okay.
It almost certainly won't work. But we can come back to that one. Let's do these.
This time make sure that you do the right thing and then we'll
I
compare.
mean, I thought I did, but
Yeah, yeah.
then I realized that it could have flipped around when it came off the magnet.
Yes.
Where's the other stuff?
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
The spring, the seat.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಪ್ಪ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಬಂದ
So what I've been doing, by the way, what I did for that one is line up the arrow with the paint mark. I couldn't read it. I read all sorts of things. I couldn't figure out whether there was an orientation. But as far as they don't say anything about an orientation.
Okay.
But what I did was I pointed the arrow at the paint mark.
The fat paint mark or the
Yeah,
skinny?
fan.
You think
But
it matters?
that thing is circularly symmetric, the disc. So I don't see how it matters.
I don't really see how it would matter too. Is there an up and a bottom?
But that's up, I think. The one which is more worn is up, is what I've been assuming. That thing.
This guy?
Yeah. They look the same.
Yeah. Alright. Fat paint mark it is.
Okay.
I don't know which way the arrow should be facing though.
Arrow I'm pointing inwards, medially.
Okay. I wonder how much it even matters on this.
Probably not, right? I mean, this is all superstition, more or less, at this point. But if we do something consistent, I saw somewhere else that the arrows were pointed inwards, so I was like, okay, let's go inwards.
Right. Alright, hold on, let's just make sure there's nothing on this.
You guide it.
Okay, whatever. Right, now. Okay. Yeah, left.
Good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
close enough.
Raise.
No.
Yep.
No, definitely not. What can I see?
Okay.
No, I got it.
You always imagine that this is the kind of delicate, fiddly crap that you have to deal with in surgeries.
Just magnetic enough to ruin everything.
Upside down ಆಯ್ತಾ?
It's not a seeing thing, it's a... Every time. Come on. All you do is go there. I'm not strong enough now, but I wasn't strong enough before.
Raise?
Yeah. Okay. And then lower. Just gonna rotate. I feel like there's crap getting onto this. Do you think it matters?
Try our best to keep it clean.
Damn, there's like...
We can put one more even carb cleaner or hard put in the spray mana. Done, and then you oil it again.
Well, the oil will have to be changed soon after. Come on. There we go. No, why do you stick to that? What is wrong with you?